So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest opportunities and career tips. So today we are getting something big for tech professional and data engineers, which is hiring from the EY, and they are hiring for a highly exciting position reporting data engineer in March team with flexibility to work from anywhere in the country. So if you're passionate about data analytics, Microsoft Intune, Azure Power BI, and building data-driven solutions, then this is your chance to work with a global leader like EY into innovations and transformations. So EY is just not another consulting company. It's also known as one of the big four company, and it's a global powerhouse operating in 150 countries, helping building a better working world through innovation, tech, and purpose-led growth. So we'll be part of EY Global Delivery Service team, collaborating with brilliant minds across India, UK, Argentina, China, and many more. So are you ready to work on world-class data platforms? So let's dive into these wonderful opportunities. So as you can see, the role is of, as they have mentioned, reporting data engineer, basically into data, Power BI or Azure, and data, Python, SQL. So these are kind of the tech stack that you will be learning and you will be working on. So as a reporting data engineer, your day will be like basically, let's directly jump to the responsibility sections. So you'll be basically involved into collaborating with product managers, designing and developing advanced Power BI dashboards, automating reporting pipelines, monitoring data from 3 lakh plus mobile devices with daily 2 TB data. You'll also be working closely with Intune data compliance metrics and Azure tools. So it sounds exciting for you. Wait till here and tech stacks they want. So now let's directly discuss the tech stacks. So as you can see, they have mentioned so many general and all the skills that they require, and to qualify for this role, what are the requirements? So the must-have skills is something like Power BI, advanced dashboarding, semantic model, Microsoft Intune data, device app, compliant reporting, Azure Data Factory, along with SQL DB monitoring and key vault pipelines in apps. You'll also be have to work on automation with PowerShell, along with Python, SQL, KQL, experience with AAD, Sentiment Defender, and mobile analytics. So bonus skill is if you have a data modeling skill, data quality tools skills, and SharePoint that you might have to work with the multiple teams across the teams. Then you need that skill as well, along with agile delivery, object-oriented programming, and experience working in large model environment. So if you're someone who loves solving problems with data and have 3+ years of experience, especially in the Intune ecosystem, then this could be your dream role. So that's it for this wonderful opportunity, and what the EYs has to offer, that they will be like, it just isn't offering a job. They are offering actually a growth platform where you will be working with global teams, continuous learning and certifications you are going to get. Along with that, you'll also get the flexible work environment, mentorship and leadership development, diverse and inclusive work culture, and transformation projects with real world impact. So these are some of the benefits that you are going to get from the EY side. So who should apply? Anyone with 3 years of experience into data or related field, into Power BI, Azure, and all that, working on the particular field, then you can apply. And if you are actually passionate about the transformation data into business impact, then this is your moment. You can just head to the direct link in description and apply as soon as possible before the deadline, which they haven't mentioned again, but it might end anytime soon. So if this opportunity excites you, don't wait, apply today from the link in description that I mentioned. And hey, if you are new here or if you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel for the most for daily job updates. Comment below if you have want us to cover any roles in your city or tech domain, or any other help you need from our end. We'll be more than happy to help you. And yeah, this is all about this wonderful opportunity. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.